Got a hot point dryer. We'll be testing the door switch. And pretty much releasing the clips. Just get you a putty knife. I already took it off. And you press against it like that. You got two. This come up. Yeah. Get my multimeter. And you got two terminals. Get you some alligator clips. I pretty much did them like that. And by opening and closing the door, close the door, it reads. When you open the door, that's showing the door switch working. I don't know if you can hear it, but I always have a click. Usually the time you know it go bad, it ain't got a click at all. But the best way to check is your multimeter. It's showing continuity. And that's 0 ohms. That's continuity. And the problem I'm having, it won't stay on when I mash start and let go. You see it stop. And my guess is the switch that's at the motor. I'm gonna have to test it out and determine that's the fact. I know it ain't this. I don't test the switch. It just ain't. It's not allowing it to keep turning. And just to take the door off, you have to remove this little clip. And that screw and that screw. And also clip. This clip right here. You got this pushes out. It's got this in the back of the dryer. You gotta just take this cover here off. It ain't got no 2 Phillips screws. I done took it off, but pretty much take the belt off from the back, and that's before you take the door off. And pretty much you just pull your tension, pull it back, and release it from the motor. And then you want to take, it's just a support for your drum. Take that off, and I got the screws out. The only thing to do is just pull this and lift up. And don't forget, if you can't remember, take a picture of it when you're taking your door wires, your door switch wires off. Blue on the right, gray on the left. As you can see, it's got to do a lot of cleaning. this most of the time when your dryer don't get heat properly, if it's getting heat, the heat element is on. It just not getting the right flow. And with all that build up, when I clean it out, that's what I have. All down up in here. Look at that. I mean, it's not gonna get heat. It's not gonna dry any clothes like that. And I don't think you do. It's just the belt piece. You'll pick up on this, and you pull forward. You pick up a little bit off of it, and then you pull forward. It's riding on a support. And the back is a little different than a Whirlpool dryers. And that's the support I was telling you. You got to pick up, and it's got to come out of that groove. Like that. And this might be one reason why it wasn't staying on. But yeah, that's the switch I'm talking about. If you can see it right there. And this switch right here, that's when the belt pop. This switch right here will no longer bring power to the motor. It'll let you know that your belt broke. I don't know if you can hear that click. And when I got it down this far, I usually go ahead and check all the fuses. Heating element. Another high temperature fuse. And the cutoff fuse. All of them check good, and I use a multimeter to do that. Now I'm gonna test it. I got it mostly clogged out of that fan. And I'm thinking that was causing it versus the switch. But how I can tell if it was clogged up or the switch, I'm gonna scrape. Yeah, I can bypass these door switch, just connect them together, turn your power on, and see if it'll come on before I even put everything back together. Just like that, but make sure it don't touch nothing. Probably best thing to tape it if you're not sure if it's gonna touch this wall. Probably much better tape. But let's run a test. All I do is just put it all back together. Test successful.